Hello again. In this video I'm going to talk about making images clickable. In other words, putting the image inside a link so that the entire image becomes one big hotspot. But we're not using the image map to do this. In fact, the technique is simpler than this. But how this works is we take the image and we add a link to it so that the image tag is actually inside a link, and then when we click the image on the web page it opens up another page. So I've opened up a YouTube video from that picture of the Colosseum, and how I did this was to copy the link. I right click copy and then go to Dreamweaver and click on my image which has been inserted in the page. Scroll down to the Properties Inspector, find where it says link, click once in there, right click and paste, and it puts the link in. And then I can set the target to blank, which opens it in a new browser window, and that's pretty much it. Now when I go to the code view, I can see that the image tag is now inside an A tag with an href pointing to that other website, in this case a YouTube video. Target equals blank tells it to open in a new window. So all we're doing again is wrapping the image tag in a link so the entire image becomes clickable. Now there's one other thing that we need to make sure that's done, and that is that the image has a border set to 0 pixels. Otherwise we end up with a blue line around the edge of the image. So set your image border to 0 and that will get rid of the blue line. So if you see a blue line, that's the problem. Anyway, that's extremely easy to do, and in the example I have made many of the images clickable like that, and every one of these, the images and the QuickTime badges, when you click these they open the download page for QuickTime. Every one of these was done the same way, by wrapping the image tag with an A tag that links to another page. And then of course the CSS takes care of that blue line problem by setting the borders to 0. And that's it. That is a pretty simple technique, much simpler than image maps, but still effective because you can take all of these visual elements, and if you only have one thing to open when they click on the image, it's much easier to wrap that image in an A tag, wrap it in a hyperlink, and set the entire image to serve as a link. So anyway, that is it for this video. Thanks again for watching.